welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to show you guys how I fertilize my mounted orchids. I've had many requests for this and I want to show you guys how I do it. Now I'm going to be going in with a insecticide sprayer that I attached to my hose and some fertilizer. So let me show you what I'm going to be using today. I will be fertilizing with 20-20-20. It's my favorite fertilizer and I picked this up at an orchid nursery. For my mounted orchids, I do like to go in with a heavy feed, which is 1 teaspoon per gallon. So I will be mixing 1 teaspoon per gallon in my insecticide sprayer. I like to do a heavy feed because they do get watered more frequently during the week, so I don't have any issues with over fertilizing. I will be mixing 5 teaspoons inside the insecticide sprayer, which will be good enough for 5 gallons. And I do like to have enough just because I'm going to be out there for a few hours. I don't want to have to come back and refill. I am very happy that I found this insecticide sprayer because now I get to fertilize those orchids on my trees more often. Before it was bad, I had to pump and I would never do it. You just, attach it to the hose and it is all distributed for you. So here I go. I'm going to be mixing 5 teaspoons and I'm going to be filling up to the number 5, which is going to be equal to gallons is what I'm going to do right now. And let me mix my 5 teaspoons in here. And then once I have that mixed, I will fill up the water up to the 5 mark, which is going to be right there, the 5 mark. So that will automatically be just distributed with the hose once it's connected. It has saved my fingers. I do not have to pump anything, and I just attach it to the hose just like this, and my water is already mixed in. Okay, it's all mixed up to the 5-gallon line. Now this little sprayer is $9 on Amazon and I think it works amazing. You can use it as a shower sprayer or you can use it as just a straight shooter. And I've probably come to realize that the shooter goes up to 12 to 14 feet, which is really good. So just to get that accomplished, you just have to take this nozzle off and you can use it as a shower. And once you remove it, it goes as a powerful sprayer. And it goes, like I said, 12 to 14 feet, which is impressive for this very economical insecticide sprayer. All right, so we're ready. Let's go. All right, so I'm here in front of my palms and I'm going to demonstrate to you how I fertilize them. Now, the ones that are very close to me, I do like to go with a shower mode. So I've already got this attached. So I'm going to start with a shower mode, but then I am going to have to take it off the nozzle to get all the way to the back. Okay, so this is a shower mode, so that's really nice. I like to soak all of the roots and the leaves. I try not to wet the blooms, but it's kind of hard when you're using a spray that goes everywhere. So I'm going to take off my little nozzle and I'm going to show you guys, this is the nozzle here, I'm going to show you guys the strength of the shooter. Sorry for going up and down. I'm doing this while I am filming. So this is a shooter. I like to get it all over the orchid and I do not like putting it straight on the roots, especially the ones that are, slightly attached because I don't want to damage any of the roots, so I go very carefully. I like to kind of get under it and over it and just let this fertilizer just fall over the orchid, just like this. Okay. Now this straight shooter is amazing, especially when you want to get all the way to the top of the palms or you want to go somewhere that's really far away because it does reach about 12 to 14 feet. I had a subscriber ask me, so here you go. This is how far it goes, which I believe it'll reach all the way up to the palm for your oak tree if needed. So walk around, just get everything nice and soaked. So this is it, guys. Oop, there goes my finger, sorry. So this is it, guys. This is, just a demonstration on how I fertilize my mounted orchids. This is a video that has, but I've been wanting to post. You guys have had many questions about that, and I just wanted to show you guys the sprayer that I use and how it works. And I do like to go in on my mounted orchids with a heavy feed once a week. So that's 1 teaspoon per gallon once a week. Now I also like to fertilize on a day that it has rained or a day that there's humidity. I do not like to put the fertilizer straight on the orchids. I always like to wet them before. So that's something that I do prior to fertilizing. So that's very important. You know, you always want to wet the orchid before you fertilize so you do not burn it with the fertilizer. And I like to do this early in the morning. So this is it. This is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I was able to teach you guys how I do this. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will try to answer all the questions asked. And that's it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you'd like to, it's free, so you can subscribe. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I will also be posting and sharing always on Instagram, so if you don't follow me there, please do so. This is my username. And that's it. I want to wish a happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there, and I hope everyone has a wonderful, wonderful weekend. I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.